चलो अब अगर आपका ट्रायल खत्म हो गया है तो देन वी कैन स्टार्ट डिस्कसिंग दिस वन। अब इस प्रॉब्लम में बेटा यहाँ पे ये वन थिंग इज फिक्स दैट दिस कुड बी डन विद द हेल्प ऑफ इंटीग्रेशन बाय पार्ट्स, अदरवाइज वी कांट डू इट। लेकिन यहाँ पे इंटीग्रेशन बाय पार्ट्स करने में भी मुझे थोड़े चेंजेस करने पड़ेंगे, राइट? व्हाट आर द चेंजेस आई नीड टू डू? सी दिस वन, एक्स स्क्वायर को जब आप डिफरेंशिएट करोगे देन यू विल बी गेटिंग एक्स स्क्वायर इनटू 2 टाइम्स x, राइट? राइट और नॉट? So you will be getting x square. I'm just writing x square. I'm just splitting that twice of x cube because I want 2 times x ex square. ये चाहिए मुझे एक साथ। अब ये क्यों चाहिए ये आपको समझ में आएगा। Okay, so I'm writing x square multiplied by 2 times x into e raised to power x square. Right? Is that clear? अब यहाँ पे I'm taking this one as u and this one as v. Okay, clear?
Yeah.
Okay. First function x square into integration of second twice of x into e raised to power x square dx minus integration of differentiation of first function which is twice of x into that integration of twice of x into ex square. I'm not writing this answer. Why? Because there is something you need to think. ये किसका differentiation है? अभी बताया मैंने.
e raised to x to x square.
Perfect. So dy upon dx of ex square is equals to 2 times x into ex square, right? जब इसको इंटीग्रेट करेंगे तो we will be getting ex square only, isn't it? तो मतलब x square इसका इंटीग्रेशन क्या होना चाहिए? ex square. Am I clear? Minus. See the magic now. So twice of x. इसका इंटीग्रेशन again e raised to power x square with respect to dx. So finally I'm getting x square into e raised to power x square minus e raised to power x square plus c. अब आप इसको इंटीग्रेट कर इसको डिफरेंशिएट करो, चेकिंग whether that my answer is correct or not. इसको डिफरेंशिएट करो. Okay, when we differentiate this one, so first function differentiation of this one twice x square into e raised to power x square plus इसका हो गया, अभी इसका करना है या x square into e raised to power x square into twice of x minus e raised to power x square into twice of x, isn't it? मैंने वो प्रोडक्ट रूल अच्छे से नहीं लगाया था, so that was the mistake. Okay, and if you look at this one, this and this would cancel out, and I am getting this one 2 times x cube into ex square. That was the statement, right? Is it clear now?
Yeah, clear.
Yeah.
I know it's थोड़ा सा यहाँ पे सोचना पड़ेगा बेटा. It's not like that you are getting a product of two functions or simply started with that u and v. सोचना पड़ेगा कि further step में हम कहाँ अटक सकते हैं. तो यहाँ पे this one इसका differentiation ये already differentiated form में given है. Something is already given in a differentiated form. तो ये already differentiation of ex square given है. So that's why I'm taking it as v because जब उसको integrate करेंगे I will be getting simply as ex square, isn't it? Understood बच्चे?
Yeah.
Any doubt Nandini?
No, it's just a lot to.
Yeah, I can understand. With practice you will get to know. एक स्पेशल कनेक्शन है फुटबॉल के साथ. अगर कोई और मैच होता तो फिर मैं कंसीडर नहीं करती. हाँ फुटबॉल है तो आई एम कंसीडरिंग. ओके चलो. सो कल मिलते हैं. Then we'll decide. With mutual understanding we will decide. And okay. Bye bye. Take care. See you.
Yeah. Okay.
Bye.
Thank you.
Bye.
Bye. Bye.